Hello, we are Russo Betak. My name is Søren Betak and this is my partner Stefannia Russo. We are a design studio that is trying to merge digital technology with crafts, and we are using a large format 3D printer to manufacture lamps using biomaterials. So part of the reason why we started our studio was because we were interested in 3D printing and digital manufacturing techniques, but also because what we saw in the industry, we felt like there was a lot of unexplored potentials. So we wanted to contribute with our vision with that. Our vision is focused on integrating some human touch to it and not letting sort of the algorithms and machines dictate the shapes, but keeping it human-centric, I would say.
And here we are showing our art collection. We're challenging 3D printing by actually printing flat sheets of biomaterial. It's a material that we developed, a blend of biopolymer and seashells that we collect from restaurants. So we use oysters, mussels, and scallop shells. And after the flat prints, we roll them and curve them and fold them and bend them into shape, taking advantage of the fact that the material reacts to heat, but when it cools down, it sets into its final form.
Yeah, and the collection is very much inspired by Asian paper lamps. So we try to have a modern take on the aesthetics of paper lamps by using new technologies and new materials. And the fact that we're using 3D printing generates these lines in the lamps that is a reference to the structural bamboo that you have in paper lamps.
Also seen in many temples, which we have visited some and would love to visit more. We are based in Copenhagen, in Denmark. We're trying to bridge Western and Eastern design heritage, but approaching it with new technologies, with new materials, still very much founded on the tradition, but also sustainability. Even though we are moving away from paper, the material that we work with is biodegradable.
So we have been working for 3 years in deep research, first developing our machinery and then being into material research afterwards. So there's a lot of design research behind this project, and it's only recently that we have actually been able to use all of our knowledge that we have gathered into making a design collection. So it's really such an honor to be able to receive the prize and the recognition for our work. And to see that the vision that we have for design moving forward, blending the digital technologies with an element of craft and sustainability is being understood and appreciated by the jury. So it makes us really happy to receive the award.
Yeah, so this year's SaloneSatellite, for the team, it was skill, craftsmanship and innovation. We don't know what the theme for next year will be. We will not be here because we will be above 35 by then. But we hope that innovation is still very much integrated into the theme in one way or another.